So you just washed your car yesterday, but a bird decided to stop at Taco Bell on its way while flying over your car and made a huge mess on your windshield and your hood. So you just have a small mess to clean up, luckily. There's a couple options for that, so we don't have to bust out the hose and do the whole thing. I'll show you a quick solution to this. You definitely want to get rid of bird droppings because this will completely ruin your paint. What you're going to want is at least one microfiber towel for wiping, and you're going to want another microfiber towel for drying, and then you're also going to want either my favorite product, Optimum No Rinse, mixed up into a spray bottle, or if you have a quick detailer, you could use something like this Meguiar's hybrid ceramic detailer or any sort of other detail spray that's going to act as a lubricant on the paint. This Adams graphene detail spray, highly recommend this one. This one's been great for me. So I'm gonna go with Optimum No Rinse, and I'm gonna soak a towel really good in it so we get maximum lubrication and not scratch the paint. That's important here. Depending on the size of your mess, I would pre-soak your towel either in a bucket of ONR or spray, and then we're gonna pre-soak the panel too. Now the great thing about Optimum No Rinse and rinseless washes is that as it hits everything, it's going to start emulsifying and breaking down all this junk on contact. So we're going to let it soak for a couple of minutes here, probably no longer than a minute, before we come through and give it a good final wipe down. You can see already it's sort of breaking down and bonding to everything on the surface there. And look at the other side too. Apparently I had a flock of birds go over and just hit my car last night. Now, watch the magic happen here. We're gonna do this a certain way. I'm gonna fold this up a little bit. Fold it into fourths if I can with one hand here while I show you. It's a little bit of a technique here. We're going to kind of start at one end of the towel like this and kind of roll the towel toward us as we pick up the contaminants. Don't press too hard. Just use the weight of the towel. And look at that, just come right up. That's the magic of Optimum No Rinse and rinseless washes. Perfectly clean in one swipe. See, I'm just kind of rolling as I fold the towel over. We don't want to scratch because there's a lot of grit and seeds and God knows what inside of that. And in order to finish up, I'm just going to give one quick spray of this graphene detailer spray and come back with my drying towel like this, just to protect the paint afterwards. Good as new again. So guys, that is an important step to keeping your paint looking good for a long time. If you found this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, thanks for watching.